Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm here with a haul. I know I've been away, been on vacation and working and back to school stuff with my kids, and I finally got a day off today. We just got back from Florida, and I watched a couple videos yesterday and I was like, I need to go to Hobby Lobby. Okay, so I did go to Hobby Lobby before, and I picked up a few things, but I don't know where they all are at this moment. But let me show you what I did get. I saw these burlap bows at the wedding section, and they were $2.99 and they were 50% off. And I figured with um, fall, fall projects that I think I could use these for that. And they're so pretty. Okay, so they were 50% off. I did get some red stickers. Let me get them all here. I only picked the ones that I really wanted, like these flat stickers. I try to, hopefully they're all flat. There were only certain ones that were on clearance, so this is what I got. I picked up these with the pearls in the center. That's pretty cool for $1.24, and I got 2 packs of that. These are I think they're paper. They look like foam to me, but I think they're paper flowers for $1.24 for a pack of 90, which I thought wasn't a bad idea, but deal. I got this one, which has bling in the center of all of them, and you don't have to do anything. So I thought that was a brilliant idea. Christmas is coming up, so I found these poinsettias, and it's Prima, and they were $1.49, and I couldn't pass these up. And then this is also Prima, made in Thailand. I got this one. I love the tone, color tone in this set. Like I said, there wasn't a lot, and I try to keep it to a minimum because I have so much flowers. Oh goodness gracious! Then I picked up 2 of the watercolor, and I know Prima had them. What is still from Prima? And this is $30. Okay, I have 3 sets, and I wasn't sure which sets I had, and I was really glad that I picked up these 2 because the ones that I have, and I'll show you, I have the complexion. Let me bring it down. Let's see that glare, sorry. So I got the complexion. These are the ones that I bought for 40% off. And when I saw that they were clearancing these out, I was just like, yes, this is the vintage pastels. And then I got the tropical. So these 2 that I got for clearance, and it was $7.49 for each one. I got the currants, and these are the colors that I'm gonna test out. I can't wait to do that. And then this is the terrain. So it has green and one blue and some purple. So this is going to be really cool. I think I have all the colors. So that was a cool buy. And then I went over to the dye section. I didn't really see a whole lot that I really wanted. I wanted the banner dye set, but I don't know. I don't know if mine ever had it or it, was sold out. But I did find this one from Momenta, and these are really cool designs that I do not have. And I caved and I decided to get this because this little bee is too damn cute and I just couldn't help it. And and this little ladybug, adorable. I wonder how big she is. Oh, okay. She's kind of big. That's okay. But I love her. I love these two. I like the bee and the ladybug. I mean, I like the butterfly, but I have tons of butterfly um, dyes that, this one's okay. It's nice. And it has a trail that cuts into the paper. I think it cuts it out. And I like the leaves, the leaves and the flower and this little spriggy thing. So that's going to be cool. I'm going to really like that. So those are the two dyes that I picked up. This one was $3.24 from $12.99. And then this one is $4.24 from $16.99. So not too bad prices for the dyes. And I didn't see a lot of stamps, but I did pick this one because I love Made with Love. Yum, homemade just for you, handmade with love, cooked just for you. What does this one say? Homegrown. So it does have, like from my garden. And my husband and I love to plant vegetables. So this would be really cool to, do a scrapbook of that, I guess, maybe one day. I love this baked with love, made with love, and handmade. Homemade, sorry, homemade. So, and then these little tiny sentiments here. So, $9.99, and I got it for $2.49. Can't beat that. Like I need another set of stamps. Then, I don't know. There was this one part I love stencils, and I thought this was a really cool one. And it was only 74 cents. I could not pass that up. So, lastly, from Hobby Lobby, I think. Is that it? From Hobby Lobby? Okay, I got this one from Home. What is this? Cartabella. $6.99, but I got it for $1.74. So I don't have this type of colors in my paper, but what caught me was this truck. Let me see if I can, and if it's lame, it's lame. But I think it's really cool. I looked at it. And Cartabella it's double-sided too. So, see, look, oh, it's a different kind of truck. Oh, it's cute. I love it. I love the blues and the garden feel. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love that bow. This is really pretty. Look at these tags of all the different herbs. Those are really pretty. I love that. Show that. Little tiny tags. There's scales and what are these? Flower, I think. Cute! I don't know. I'm into the more muted tone colors. Well, I think I've always been. Cute! Okay, so that was from Hobby Lobby. So I kind of lucked out with that. Then I went to Dollar Tree And I had shared in my Instagram, let's see, do I have it here? No, I think I've already put it away. That I found an acorn like this and a cup that looks like a hot cocoa. I love that. And then I saw somebody use these apples, and I was like, gosh, I should have gotten, a couple packs of that, and I did. So I found that. I found some pencil lead, which is not exciting. And then I found these little tiny zipper bags. And I don't know, I'm thinking about doing some swaps and for the fall, or sending out Happy Mail to some friends. And then here's a Halloween one. I thought it was really adorable. It's not too spooky. I don't know, Halloween, now that my kids are older, Halloween just doesn't seem so fun. So anyway, oh, and then I went to Michael's and Joann's, but I didn't find anything. I went to 2 Michael's. The only thing I found was this. I think it's a recollection stamp. Huh. I guess they're clearancing it out, and I saw this and I was like, ooh, barn door. I could try and, make it look like it's sliding, like that sliding barn door look. And it was for $3. And I was like, oh, there was really nothing else to get. But I really liked that barn door. I can't wait to stamp it and color it up. I think that is it. That is it for my haul. I hope everyone is doing good, staying safe. My kids are back in school, yay! Full time, in person. I am just so happy. I know there's a variant out, and they just need to be in school. They just need to be in school. Because the virtual learning was not cutting it. Okay. Some kids flourished, some kids didn't. And we really don't need that right now. And yeah. So thanks everybody for watching. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to start crafting again. I haven't crafted for like 2 months. No, I crafted a little bit before I left for my vacation. I did which I don't have pictures of. It's so crazy that I didn't do that. It was a trio swap, and I had to make a memory dex card, an ATC, and a tag on Facebook. And I forgot I signed up for it, and my mojo wasn't flowing at the time, so I did it. I liked what I created for my partner, and oh, let me show you what she created for me. Well, no, I'm not going to do that because it's not what I created. So anyway, thanks everybody for watching. I know I'm all over the place. It's been a while since I've done a video, so again, thank you for watching, stopping by, clicking on my video. If you're new to my channel, if you want, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and click on like. I would appreciate it. And yeah, hopefully I'll be back with another video, guys. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.